That's become a familiar sound in the forest in Burlington County as crews work to cut down trees that are still smoldering from this wildfire.
All it takes is a start in the right place, and the fire can spread very quickly.
The cause of the wildfire here in Burlington County is still under investigation.
March, April, May is our quote-unquote fire season. We anticipate having fires that time of year. We don't anticipate having large ones.
Weather is a key factor. A virtually snow-free winter, little rain this spring, and now low humidity all contributed to the spread of this fire.
Weather conditions were perfect. It's been dry for several days, and then we had that strong northwesterly wind.
Gypsy moth caterpillars are also to blame. They kill oak trees. Those dead trees helped fuel this fire. 200 local firefighters and the New Jersey Forest Fire Service joined to manage the blaze.
Basically, we put a big box around the fire and did the best we could with backfires to contain the main fire. We use existing barriers. In most cases, it's either a road or a river, and we actually light a controlled fire ahead of the main fire, and the fire has no place to go because we burnt the fuel in front of the main body of fire.
Now the goal is to eliminate anything that may potentially cause a new fire by cutting down trees and hosing down debris. Aki says fortunately no injuries were reported and no buildings were damaged. He hopes these wildfires will serve as a reminder to New Jersey residents to use extreme caution when they're in the woods and to follow fire safety practices. For NJ Today, I'm Lauren Wonko in Tabernacle.